Hi there, I'm Beth, and this week I have a bit of a teaser for you for my next Custom Blythe video. My lovely supporters over on Patreon have been seeing the progress made on this cute Middie doll as it's been happening, but today I wanted to give you all a little sneak peek while I work on the final video edit behind the scenes. With the summer school holidays finally upon us, it's important to me to be able to spend some quality time with my daughter. While I'll still be working on custom dolls throughout the summer, I've decided to cut back slightly on my YouTube video schedule. Until now, I've been trying to stick to my self-imposed weekly video schedule, while also customizing dolls in the background until they can be shared in a video of their own. With multiple commitments, I'm just too thinly spread out at the moment and decided that taking a little more time to create videos for YouTube would be the best for my mental health and for my video quality too. My plan is to have my usual type of fully edited video come out every other week, with the in-between weeks being either a very short video or a teaser of the next video due. Hopefully this will result in there still being some new content every week for you and will enable me to complete custom doll requests a little faster too. Further down the line, I'd like to be able to share some bigger projects here too, which would certainly take longer than a week to produce. I'm excited to keep working on all the dolls that I love, and I'm certainly not feeling burnt out or anything. I'm full of ideas, just I wish there was more hours in the day to make them all. I hope you've enjoyed the sneak peeks I've shown this week. If all goes well, then I'll be back next week with her full process video, so stay tuned. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to take time for yourselves and your loved ones too, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!